This is Rushing on Empty, and today we're looking at Poppers cocktails. Now, you may have had an ordinary cocktail before. Here I've got a lovely Negroni. But today, a Poppers cocktail, something quite different. Tell us about it.
First thing, what's different is the Popper cocktail is obviously you don't drink it as you do with a Negroni because it will kill you. So just as a warning, we're going to show you what to do here. We're going to sniff it. We're not going to drink it. And then after you've made your cocktail, you may have a bunch of stupid people you live with. If you're at a party, you're going to throw the drink away so nobody accidentally drinks this because it will kill you. All right?
Top tip.
So now we've got that out of the way, we're going to take a Poppers. Now, this is our favourite brand. It's English, because we are English, and we don't drink foreign muck or sniff foreign muck. But especially you don't drink it because it will kill you, as I've said. So first of all, this is very similar to making the famous drink lean that the rappers drink. So we're going to start with a tall glass full of ice. We have 5 ice cubes here. We're going to take a couple of sweets. Now the rappers, they usually have Jolly Ranchers. We don't have those here, so we've got
Squashy's bubblegum flavour.
That's
but
sugar.
Lovely sweets, so
Yeah.
I think it'll be a nice cocktail.
Yeah. So if you want to get those ready, get
Sure.
those thrown in here. I'm going to grab the Poppers.
Yep. Get a couple of those in. Smells lovely.
So we're going to put a little bit of Poppers in here. There we go. Put about maybe a quarter of the bottle. And then what you want, I can smell that already.
Felt
You
like
know
more
what?
of the quarter.
It's
I
quite
think
strong
it'd be like
already.
more
I'm
of the
going to put a balm out on top of here just to stop the gases escaping. But we're not ready yet. We need to take a fizzy drink. Some people like a bottle of Prosecco, something like that, but it's wasteful. We're not going to drink this. We're going to smell it. As we've said before, we don't drink it. So any fizzy ingredient. I've got a miniature can of Sprite. It's got 50p from Co-op, the local Co-op. There are other cans up there, maybe 90p if you want the big one, but we're only going to take a small amount here. You want essentially 8 of this to 1 Poppers. That's your ratio. So I'm not going to officially measure it out because, I'm a madman. I know how my drinks work. I'd say that's about it. I'm going to sit that on there.
The bubbles of the fizzy drink interact with the Poppers to create this lovely concoction, and that's the key of the cocktail. So it really sets the whole thing off.
Even with this balm on, I can already smell it.
Are you looking forward to it?
I am. And it says, you got to wait about 30 seconds to get it going. Also, just a warning, if you're an amateur, if you've never done this before, stick with a bottle. This is apparently, we've never done this either before, 10 times stronger than Poppers through the regular bottle. So
yeah, it's for advanced users only.
Let's get a bit mental, shall we?
Yeah. I don't know if we should leave it a bit longer, maybe.
I feel like that's been 30 seconds.
Yeah, possibly.
Yeah.
I feel like we're filling time here anyway.
So
let's just go and do it. Let's just do it. As soon as you take it off, you've got to cup your hands round. I can go first if you like. Cup your hands round.
Then put the lid back on. You don't want the gas to escape. As soon as you're done, put the lid back on.
You put it back on.
Yeah.
I'm just going to chuck it here.
You ready?
Okay. It's harder than a Negroni, I'll tell you that.
Holy fucking fuck.
Oh, yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Do not make those in Wetherspoons, do they?
Oh. Good experience.
Yeah, it's pretty outrageous. I mean, more or less take it up a notch. We want to show that we're classic people, that we're mixologists here, and we've really put something together. Compare it with the sock method. How would you rank this?
The sock method was more extreme. I don't think anything will compare to that. This is definitely more than just doing a sniff. So
yeah,
it's a ride.
Okay, it's nice and mellow. It's not. You don't have the pounding headache, but we do have the pounding level of blood flowing through our body.
Oh, it's just about wearing off now. Yeah. I think that's a good minute or so.
I hope that was very informative. If you like what we're doing, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, keep on popping.